Good morning! Day 2. And I'm just getting ready to head to Volcano Bay. Just thought I'd show. I'm just packing my bag right now to take with me. So I just have my sunscreen and toiletry kind of things that I want to take with me. This is my towel. This is like a quick dry towel. It's really handy because it's thin, but it works really well, and then it's like smaller to pack in a bag. And I have my water shoes, which are more considered water socks. And I have my sunglasses that I have a strap on it. I have this on there from when I went kayaking. I probably don't really need it in the water park, but it wouldn't hurt. Never know. I just have my phone charger. I got my GoPro for filming in the water, which I'm pretty sure at this point they don't let you on the slides, but I'll take some footage in the lazy rivers and the wave pool. And then this is just my battery backup in here, and like my little wallet thing that I bring my cash and cards and stuff in. So I'm just gonna go in my little backpack here. Okay, I just want to show that I walked down to the very end towards Volcano Bay on my floor in the tower that I'm at. I'm in the Americana. So I walked all the way towards Volcano Bay at the end, and then if you look out the window you can see, so this is like one of the bay towers, and then it looks like just over there is the entrance to Volcano Bay. And I'm gonna go out this exit. Okay, went through security, all good.
Hey, look, a tourist.
We're in. Got my tapu tapu. Definitely got a lot of signs to tell you, return it. You do not get to keep it. Just as you walk in, there's already a little spot. Oh, I can take my photo. Oh, that's funny. Would you like to purchase prints? I just took my first picture. I don't need to take I don't want to buy anything yet. Okay, carrying on. Oh, look at the volcano. So nice. Awesome reveal in this park. Really great. When it closes, what the wait times are. Here. Okay, so Taniwa tubes where you can tap in if that's where you want to ride next. But it says ride now, so I don't think you would tap in, you just go and line up. Like how they have this little area for your shoes. just says next on it, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm supposed to push a button or something, but I don't know if it doesn't seem to be like a tap screen. Goes in, and there's little clips, one on this side to clip in and one on that side to clip in. Wow, this part of the park is empty. I think I'm just working my way back towards the entrance because I can see the towers from the Volcano Bay Hotel. I'm gonna have a pretty chill day today. Not really. I mean, I like the slides. I go on the slides and stuff like when I'm with my boyfriend. But I think I may just do like the one like water coaster because it's pretty awesome looking. Like I've been on some that are similar, but this one looks like full on longer and like super fun. So I'll tap in for that, and then I'll just do like the lazy rivers and the wave pool. Do a little shopping before I get wet. My little phone covers. Yeah, look at this bag. It's like cork. Cool. $19.95. This is a cute cover up too. What is that? $44. Some snacks in here. Ooh, these earrings are cute. $24.95 is a little high. Let's see. These are really cute. You're not barefoot, you're overdressed. Okay. Seashells are better than snowflakes. That is for sure. I would give that up. Well, if it's falling shells, that would hurt, but it's a weird reference, but either way, I give up snow for anything that's warm. Where the water, okay, my happy place, where the water's warm, skies are sunny, and the air smells like salt and suntan lotion. Sounds nice. Yeah, these little plants here are so cute. I would totally get one like for my desk, but I can't bring them over the border. This is my lunch view. So I decided to go to the Feasting Frog to get some tacos. They have steak tacos. I got the chicken tacos. Comes with plantain chips, a little bit of salsa. I just got a cup of water. Not really a soda drinker. They had little packets of taco sauce. And here's what it came to. So it's $10.64 for 2 tacos. It's not too bad. Apparently it's a pretty slow day here today. And not all the restaurants are open, so I'm gonna have something to eat before I get wet. Tacos are good, actually. The chicken's really nice. That's usually what makes the difference, is whether it's like a cheaper kind of chicken. It tastes weird. This is pretty good. It's pretty tasty. Definitely recommend the sauce. Little plantain chips. They're pretty mild in flavor, so I don't think like picky eaters would find them too weird. You go with the salsa? I wanted to look and see what they have in there for their drinks. Served in a souvenir glass. And a blinky cup? It's always a blinky cup at Universal, isn't it? So it's the toasted coconut. And you get to keep the glass. It came to 13 and change. I didn't keep the receipt. It's a toasted coconut rum. Never tried a toasted coconut rum before. Can't say I totally tell the difference between toasted and just regular. I'd say it just makes it a little like darker tasting than like the white rum that you traditionally would be. The like Malibu coconut rum. It's a lingering aftertaste. And not so sweet. Actually, the bartender asked me if I wanted a sweet version or not so sweet. Oh, one more thing. They said that if you keep you get to keep the cup, but when you bring the cup back, you get $2 off your refills. Pretty good, and I think cheaper beers. I didn't catch. Okay, gonna get a locker. So they have family-size lockers for 16. They have regular size lockers for 12. And then mini lockers in the back here that they said for 8. Which I think is pretty cool because I think like that's all I need. I don't have to pay a full $16. Okay, put my drink down. And I'm gonna use the Tapu. Use Tapu Pay. And the locker opens. Alright, so I finished at Volcano Bay and got ready. Now I'm gonna go wander and visit some of the resorts and city walk and stuff before HHN starts again. Going to Sapphire Falls. Most of the Universal resorts have gyms.